You already know the vibes. Shout out to Shein for sponsoring today's video. I have so much good stuff. As you guys know from my previous Shein vlogs, I've been slowly but surely revamping my wardrobe as I am slowly transitioning into moving out. Like, I don't really have cute clothes outside of gym clothes, clearly. So I didn't have any good basics, any layering items, sweaters, knitwear, none of that until I started shopping over at Shein again. So we are going to be getting into all the deals. Y'all girls can go over to Shein and get up to 90% off of the Black Friday and Cyber Monday sale. So definitely check them out. I'm going to link everything that I show you girls and try on in the description box below, along with an exclusive discount where you guys can get extra savings. It's 24SBSKY, so I'll put that in the description so you guys can have access to that. I got some really cute sets. I've just realized that sets are my vibe if I just don't know what to wear. I love activewear sets, so naturally I'm going to gravitate towards cute sets that I could wear outside the house. How cute is this little sweater skirt, you guys? And this burgundy color for the holiday season. I think this is going to be super freaking cute. I picked this setup in a size medium, and that means the bottom is going to be the same size as the top. It can be hit or miss with the sizing when they come together that way, but because this is a skirt, I feel like it's going to be more flowy, and I think this will be so cute with some black sheer tights and some black booties. That's kind of how I envision myself wearing it, of course, with this matching turtleneck. Super nice, stretchy, really nice quality, very soft, not itchy, and it has the turtleneck detail here where we can fold it over. I love a turtleneck with a slick back. Oh, it's a vibe. It's usually with my sweaters, I do like to size up to like a large. The bigger the better, but because this is a set and this skirt is more wide and flowy, it might look better with more of a fitted top. So really freaking cute. I'll definitely link this in the description. I also wanted to try out some baggy jeans, and again, jeans are so, man, hit or miss for me over at Shein because my legs are long unless it is a tall sizing. But I actually ended up finding these. They were already listed as a baggy fit, and because I have thicker thighs, if it's like baggy, oh, I love that so much more. So I did size up to a large for these, and I'm hoping it'll give me extra length but also extra space in the leg area as well. But how cool is this wash? When I saw these, I was like, oh, it's giving Bratz. It's giving like pair with a chunky boot and a cutesy little top, and it's a vibe. I could easily see myself dressing these up or dressing them down. Look at the waistband. How cute is this? So with a large, I guess we're gonna have to see the rise of this. I have no torso, so I'm thinking because I sized up, these will fall a little bit lower on like my hip area. So worst case scenario, I could always get them taken in because the denim quality is really nice. There's no weird smell. Sometimes I'll get denim from Shein and I'm like, it smells a little weird, but this does not have a smell to it, and it has a wide leg. I love everything about this, so hopefully it looks good when I try it on, and it's long leg friendly. I also really like the cargo pockets on the side. Like, it gives such a really cute feel. I think this would also look cute with a bodysuit, being that that would be really tight at the top and then baggy at the bottom. I also fell in love with these jeans. They were also giving me Bratz vibes. They have this star embroidered detail on the sides. These also came in different colorways if I'm not mistaken. It almost has like a brown wash to it, so I thought pairing it with a brown top or bodysuit would be really cute, and they are very wide leg. So I really like the quality of this denim as well, and it doesn't smell. Of course, I'm going to wash all this stuff before I really wear it, but I noticed this one has an elastic waist, and I kind of like that because, again, if you're in between sizes like me where your waist is one size and then your leg area, your glutes are another, that's a really helpful detail to have, and you probably won't necessarily need to wear a belt with them. So I'm interested to try these on. I also got these in a large. Oh wait, this is a tall. This is a tall large. Oh, we're gonna be so good. Let me see this. Did I do good or not? This is also a tall large. I'm a happy girl. I'm a happy girl. So just type in tall pants, and if you need long leg friendly bottoms, go ahead and search for that. And as for size reference, I'm 5'6", but I'm all leg, no torso, so tall is just gonna have to be like always my go-to. And I also loved this. I think this color would mix really nicely with these jeans because it's brown and it pulls out the brown in the pants. This is like a thicker knit vibe and it has a mock neck. Actually no, I would say it's a full-blown turtleneck. I thought this would be really cute for Thanksgiving. It was totally giving me Thanksgiving vibes, so I'm definitely going to be packing this with me when I go away for the week. And I really like that it has different shades of, I would say like a darker brown or maybe black woven into the material. It has a little bit of fuzzy texture to it, so it's not like perfect. It has a little bit of like that worn in feel, so definitely going to be hanging this up to dry because I do not want to risk it getting eaten up in the dryer or even shrinking. So what size did I get? Large, of course. I love to size up in my knitwear. And knitwear is really nice over at Shein. As you can see, I picked up a lot of different knit items. I just feel like it's such a good staple, great for layering, and also amazing if you live in colder climates where the weather can be kind of bipolar. So this is actually a set. I got this in a large, and it comes in these beautiful like loungy pants, but could also be styled outside of the house with, think of like some Uggs. That's how I kind of pictured it. I love this camel color while I still have a little bit of my summer tan. RIP, because it's about to be gone next month, okay? So I sized up because I wanted extra length, and I also didn't want it to be super tight for a lounge pant, and also Shein sizing tends to be a lot smaller, I've mentioned before. So just to give me extra space in the thigh area, and if it is too high rise, you could always just fold this waistband down. Very stretchy on the waist, so I feel like if you're in between sizes, since the leg area very stretchy, you could either go true to size or consider sizing up if you want more of that lounge feel. And also too, I didn't want the top to be too tight, so this one is also going to be in the large. I love that this is not cropped. There's a little slit on this side so it's not too body hugging. There's some nice rib detail at the bottom of this sweater. Could also be worn on its own with some jeans and some like moccasins, not moccasins, Tasmans. I feel like that would be really cute. And this is a nice soft sweater. I won't know till I try it on if it's itchy, y'all. I cannot do itchy stuff like with my sensory. I can't do it. I also like the wide opening to the sleeves, almost like a bell feel. So really like this. So far so good with the things that I picked up this time around. And speaking of sweater sets, I saw this in this shade and I was like immediately yes. These two pieces could easily be styled individual, and it's a sweater set, and I picked mine up in a size medium. Comes with this little ribbed tank top. It's like, why would you wear that in the winter? Like, ain't nobody finna wear no tank top. But wait, it comes with a shrug. Baby, the shrug is so cute. This is from the Daisy range, which I love over at Shein. So cute with the pieces that they have. I do feel like that range can be a little bit tight. This shrug is a little bit more on the long lined side. And I feel like this is going to be so cute with the tank, even paired with like some sweats. Or you could wear the shrug on its own. So typically with the shrug, I would want it to be more fitted, but because this is longer in the back, ooh, I get extra length on the sleeves by sizing up, and it's just a little bit more cozy, and I could totally see myself living in this shrug. And then pair it with the matching top. You could do any type of bottom, sweatpants, jeans, leather pants. Y'all know I love some leather pants in the fall and winter, so I feel like this is gonna be such a cute little set. And I also, let me show you guys this first. This was giving me like Zara, like I would see something like this over at Zara easily, and it's also giving a shrug feel. This is a lighter wash denim. It kind of has a little bit of a smell, but I'm going to throw all this in the laundry after I record today. But I've never seen anything like this, but I thought it would be such a fun transitional piece, not just for like the fall time, but more so like the spring and like the summer. It is in a size large, and it's also from the Daisy range. So this one I wanted to size up because, you know, denim doesn't really have a whole lot of stretch. But how stinking cute is this? You cannot tell me this is not giving. Even with what I have on now, a basic cotton top with some sweats, throw this on. I love how the collar is very extended and the sleeves are fairly loose and very long. I just feel like this is a really fun, unique piece, and I love layers like this, like outerwear items that can really change the whole vibe of your outfit, like even just grabbing a coffee. And honestly, I picked this up to wear as an overlayer for an activewear, like a sports bra and then my leggings. How cute would that be for like a coffee run or running errands or taking the dog out, especially in the spring, like transitioning out of winter to the springtime. So really loved this piece and the wash. It's almost like an acid wash. Definitely consider sizing up for that, being that it is, you know, denim and you probably would want to layer it over other pieces. And the last and final item, I'm not feeling this too much. I'm gonna be real with you guys. This is probably the only thing in probably my last 2 Shein hauls that I'm really not feeling because it is so thin. And the quality can be a little hit or miss, but recently, guys, like the things I've been finding at Shein has been really good. These are just like kind of see-through. Like I can see through it, and I don't know if it's just because I'm using lights right now, but paper thin, would not keep me warm, probably would not feel comfortable wearing out because the fabric, I don't know how to describe it, but it's not giving what it was giving on the website. They are like an oversized trouser, definitely giving street style, and it has some big oversized pockets, wide leg, and for these there is a belt loop, so you could totally put a belt on with it. I got these in a size medium. Would skip. I would not add this to cart, but I'll try it on in the video for you guys. It's in like a dark gray blackish type of color, like an ashy black is the color that I would describe, and it has some pleat detail on the front of it. It's just very thin. I don't know, maybe this will surprise me. I'm not really sure, but wearing it with like a basic bodysuit and some sneakers could be a vibe. Maybe these would be pants that you could wear in like the spring because it's very thin and kind of airy. But as far as like a thick cargo that I thought it was, that's not what this is. It's thin, girl. So yeah, my least favorite thing from my last like 2 Shein hauls, and I guess that's not too crazy with the amount of stuff that I've been able to pick out and share my thoughts and opinions. Granted, I do reviews for my job, so yes, I've been sent a lot of stuff, but that's what I'm here to do, is tell you guys, you know, the sizing, talk about the material, are these pieces actually worth it, and what's good and what's new and all that type of stuff. So I just wanted to make that very known. And I am, you know, thankful to be able to give my thoughts on these pieces because I really do love a lot of this stuff, and I'm kind of obsessed with winter and fall clothing, which is my, I guess, my season to really order and shop stuff, because summertime, I'm not really feeling it. It's too hot to really be cute. So I really feel that I get to shine more when it comes to this time of the year and clothing pieces. So do drop a comment in the comment section and let me know what piece or set was your favorite from today's video. Thumbs up for more reviews if you guys find these to be very helpful, and also be sure to subscribe if you guys are new, and don't forget to check out the description for links and references to all of these goodies from today's haul along with the discount, so you guys can shop and get in on the up to 90% off sale for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye!